Stormwater sitting close to any structure, home, or building can cause major foundational damage that's extremely expensive to repair. From water damage in the basement to mold, mildew, stability issues with your concrete, pools, parking lots, driveways, and more, it's imperative you implement the proper drainage system to capture, redirect, and move that water before it's too late. And with over 27 years of performing professional drainage piping and stormwater control projects, the drainage team of St. Louis, Missouri can make that happen. From Puddles by downspouts to mulch moving from a garden bed, slow drains, water seeping into basements and garages, signs of mold, mildew, and stagnant water smell, these can all be telltale signs of drainage problems that need to be addressed. While drainage issues can be problematic, and some can even cause short and long-term health risks, property owners today have a variety of options they can choose from that our team can walk them through. Downspout drainage piping helps extend the downspout below ground in PVC, which can move the water further from the foundation. Another way to help move water away from the foundation is the very common solution of installing French drains underground. Surface grates stop pooling by capturing the water and channeling it into a pinpointed area, while drain grates are very effective at capturing high-flow water, helping to increase the drainage around a pool, patio, sidewalk, driveway, or another paved surface area of the home. For an attractive yard drainage option, natural dry creek beds made with decorative river rocks are a great option that adds to the beauty of the property throughout the year. A more involved yet incredibly effective drainage solution is redirecting water through the creation of swales and berms in the lawn with landscape contours. This allows for high flows of water to be controlled while maximizing the natural overland flow, which can also benefit the landscape plant health. While pooling water on lawns, parking lots, walkways, and especially close to the home and building foundations can be a serious issue, there are many different options available to solve these problems, starting with a simple on-site consultation with one of our drainage experts. Over nearly 3 decades, we've amassed designated drainage consultants, production managers, quality control measures, drainage crews, and specialized equipment to complete any size project expeditiously at the highest levels with the most cutting-edge materials and processes. So if you're experiencing poor drainage on your property, interior or exterior, and are looking for an expert to provide some viable, permanent solutions, contact the drainage team of St. Louis, Missouri so we can take swift action today.